skincare prep with Melissa. Going in with Armani Luminous Silk, one of my OG favorites. And NARS Radiant Creamy in Custard. My favorite part, Dune, and she's applying it with a brush directly on my face, which always looks a lot more natural.
So easy to blend out. The darker shade is a perfect nose contour. Yeah, I love them.
Yay!
I used Dune already, and I basically shaded your nose, but now I'm using Sahara for the tip just to make it more lifted.
I can't with the fan.
I know.
Kiss on the high points of my cheeks. I love Kiss. Love this lip contour you did.
Thank you.
My god. So good. Onto the eyes. We're going in with Charming first.
Adding the same shade Charming underneath her eye and just really diffusing that out so there's no harsh lines, but we're still lifting Sona's eyes.
Look at that eye contour. That is talent, my friends. Okay, we're doing Humble all over the eyelids, the matte, nice color. A little eyeliner moment on the outer corners and on the inner rim. Okay, we're doing a soft cat eye, diffusing the brown liner. Okay, brown liner coming through.
I'm pushing in all the powder instead of dusting it off so it sets in really well.
Gosh, my nose looks so snatched. This is the final look. I'm obsessed.